Welcome to Sandy, Utah, and I am at my mom's place and I am almost finished installing an entire new camera system. If you have any kinds of delusions of doing this yourself and thinking this is something you can do, maybe a couple of days, think again. This house has been a challenge. We have an addition to the house with no roof access to the addition portion. We also have the original house, which has two roof lines, the old roof line at a lower pitch, the new roof line built above it at a higher pitch. So when you drill a hole, it's anybody's guess which roof line you're going into to pull the wires, and then you have to crawl like a rat through whatever roof line you were lucky enough to figure out to find out where they are. Fishing wire only helps so long. I have the Reolink system, and here you can see a couple of the cameras, and I was able to go through some roof lines here by taking off some of the aluminum siding that I now have to put back up and seal the holes. Not just the holes I made, but the holes the contractors used and created when they created the new roof line and never sealed. So that's been fun. So we have cameras here, and we have them on every corner. And thanks to my brother-in-law, Scott, who gave me this handy tool belt to wear that I've been donning for the last 10 days. So we have cameras there, and we have cameras there. I like to just go and poison stuff. Don't ask me why. They've been here as long as we've lived in the house, which is a long time. So anyway, yeah. And then we go back to the addition. This is the addition. And the addition again doesn't have any roof access, attic access. So I had to draw wiring all the way around the house through the eaves by taking off every single gutter, every single piece of aluminum siding to get to my destination points. But as you can see, there's no wires. So that's fabulous. You can see this part. This is Control Central. So this is where we have our setup. And so we have also remote access through any mobile app. And I was able to get all of the wiring installed with only one hole at the top. And it's covered by curtains that I put back up, and a little switch plate, blank switch plate. It's a nice little setup. Make sure you have more than one person. That will help to get the wiring done and cleared. Make sure you have lots and lots of category 6 cabling. I recommend 6,000 feet or 1,000 feet for 8 cameras of a house this size. And a lot of patience, unless you want to make a lot of extra holes, which I didn't. I was very patient with the holes. Hopefully this makes everybody feel safer, and it keeps the neighbors from poisoning all of the plants. They've ripped out foliage on their own. They've poisoned trees on the side of the house, and now they've decided to destroy all of these plants. Bushes, rose bushes, rhubarb. Also, I would recommend for tools, punch cables. My brother-in-law gave me portable drills, portable saws. Make sure you have lumber. You don't want these things wiggling, or they're going to send a detection notification that you don't want. And good luck.